Welcome to my channel. It is GRREZ, and today we're going to be taking a look at these Panasonic wired earbuds. So this is going to be a very quick, brief video. And as you can see next to me, I already have a pair that I got with these, but I ended up opening these for use, and then this I was going to do later as a video because I knew I was going to do a video on these, and I never did until now. But yeah, you can see I love this color right here because it's not just red, but it's the metallic red. So the metallic part is on the actual bud itself, and it is plastic, but it gives it like a metallic look, which looks really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and open these. So right off the bat, as you can tell, it comes with the buds already, but you have two more size options. There's a small, medium, and large overall. So, and I believe the ones that are installed are the regular fit or medium sized fit. And of course, if you got the microphone option, you'll have the play and pause button right here, and then the little microphone holes, as you can see, and of course the cord, very long cord that is wrapped up nicely in this plastic. So these feature 9mm drivers, as you can tell from the box right here to show that. And they are a stereo headset, and they have pretty intense bass, I would say. It has the 3.5mm plug right here, as you can tell. You can use it to plug it into a headphone jack on your computer or on your phone. And of course, the new iPhones, they do not have the headphone jack, so be aware of that. And of course, it has this 90-degree elbow right here, which I love, love, love. I hate when it's a very, just a straight up line, because I feel like they get more damaged like that. So the durability on these, so I remember buying one of these pairs in my senior year or my junior year of high school, and they lasted me for quite a few years actually with no problems, until one day they gave out. They kind of stopped working. The audio stopped going through properly, but it took many years for that to start happening. So for about $10, $11, that is not bad for a few years of lifespan. That's pretty good, I would say. So the reason I decided to get these earbuds headphones is that because of the price, mainly because of the price and the great durability that I've already experienced in the past. And of course, the main reason why I still carry wired earbuds is because when your Bluetooth devices are out of battery, when all your Bluetooth devices are out of battery, of course you're not going to be able to play music through the said headphones, so you're going to need these bad boys from time to time. And I have two, because this is for one bag that I have, and this is going to be for another bag. I have my main backpack, and then I have a drawstring bag that I like to carry with me a lot. So, of course, I have to have two. And what I love is that they are quick plug and play, which means that, they just work. As soon as you plug them in, they work. Alright, and that is the video, and that ends this brief unboxing / review. So thanks for tuning in, and goodbye.